What's up, you guys? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're well. Hope you're staying safe, washing your hands, social distancing, all that good stuff, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Click like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. I love you. Hi. So, look at the grow box, you guys. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down. You know how to do it. Share the video. Leave a comment. I love you. Look at the grow box. The grow light box that we built together. Look at these plants, guys. They've doubled. They are loving the light. Nothing is lagging or anything. You see that, you guys? Beautiful. So, today we're going to talk about potting up our tomatoes. The ones that we have in like two in the same container or things like that. I'm going to show you how to pot them up real quick, okay? Okay! I love you guys. Thanks for being here. So we're just going to take one of our tomato plants. You see this one has two in it. The other ones, they can stay in there just a little bit longer, okay? So I'm just going to show you how to pot them up, and we're going to do this together. Okay, you guys? We're on quarantine, so let's work together. I love you. Thanks for being here. You're the best. This is not going to be a long video. I'm just going to show you how to do it. Okay, so I started these on March the 26th, and I made a video, of course, okay. And today is April 10th, so it's been about 3 weeks almost. And all we're gonna do, pick what size pot you want to pot up in. If you want to leave them in there for a long time or grow them on your patio or your deck, use a bigger pot. Dollar Tree. Cups, Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna use the cups that I've cut a bottom in, just like that. And what I did to these, I started them from seed, just regular potting mix. Not garden soil, not topsoil, potting mix, okay? It makes a big difference. So after they got their true leaves, like these were the starter leaves when they first start out. These will eventually die off. And then they get their true leaves. And as you see, we have several true leaves. These tomatoes are doing great, you guys. I think this may be either my rainbow. I forgot. But either way, that's going to be fun watching them grow and high succession plant. So you can always plant seeds when the first frost. They're talking about a frost. Oh, they're talking about a frost, y'all. Tonight, well, first thing in the morning. So I'm going to cover my plants up and I'm going to try and video that and show that at a later time. I love you so much. Come on, frost. Come on through and going on away. Stay corona safe, you guys. You know I'm at the hospital. I'm doing the best I can every day. I love you. Thank you for all the love and support that you showed me. So let's get right on into the video. I have some potting mix here, some expert potting mix. Oh, I forgot to tell you. After they got their true leaves, I fertilized them with this 511 fish fertilizer. Doesn't smell like, ew. It does smell like, ew. Oh my God. But it's been working. Look at these. Some of the best seeds I've ever started. And this is my first time trying to start a whole garden from seed, you guys. Okay. So you've been doing this with me. So thank you so much for being here. I love you. Okay, but yeah, after their true leaves come in, I use 1 tablespoon of this, just 1 tablespoon, to a whole gallon of water, okay? And if you don't know how to measure a gallon, use a big milk jug. 16 red cups is a gallon of water. I figured that out. Or take 2 half a gallons and then use half of a tablespoon of the 511 fish fertilizer. Shout out to New Orleans Gardener. Thanks for always giving us good tips on the fish fertilizer. So we're just going to transfer ours into a cup. Very simple. I'm going to get some potting mix. Fill it up till about there. Pack it down a little bit. Then I'm just going to use the back of my Sharpie and just make a nice hole all the way down. Not all the way down, but trying to show you. About that far. Leaving a base at the bottom. Where's the camera part? Can you see in there? Leaving a base at the bottom. You know. Because the tomatoes have hairs on them. You see these hairs? They will turn into roots. So you can bury it up to those hairs, you guys. Yeah. And you'll have a strong, healthy plant. Okay, so let's just bury these up. I'm going to take the one that has the 2 inside. Just gently squeeze from the bottom. And you want to do this maybe when they're not super moist. Because see, pop right out. Look at our root system, you guys. Look, it's the Skinny Boy Randy and you guys. My Skinny Boy gardeners, we did this together. Yes, so just gently tap. Tap. And using potting mix makes it so much easier because it's so soft. Just gently tap. And loosen your roots up. Oh, wow. Look at all this, you guys, from seeds. A few weeks ago, if you've been growing with me, you know exactly what's going on. Okay? These are some good, nice, strong leaves, you guys. So I'm just going to keep tapping until they separate themselves. Okay? Sometimes you let one dangle and it'll fall off. And turn it around. Maybe let the other one dangle. Yeah, you guys, we're taking these out right in time in that small cell because the more you leave them in there, the more tangled up they were going to get. Which means we have great roots. But yeah, we got it. And you want to get these in the ground instantly, okay? Okay. So I'm going to take this plant. Look at this beautiful tomato plant, you guys. Look at all those hairs. I keep forgetting the camera's over there. Sorry. Hi, y'all. And we're just going to take it. I'm going to show you while I'm doing it. I'm sorry, you guys. You know I don't do any editing and all that. So, can you see inside the cup? And do it like this. Sorry. Don't want to make you dizzy. I'm just going to take it and put it in the cup just like that. Okay? And the reason I left so much space at the top, because remember I told you the hairs, we're going to fill up around the hairs. Okay? Just take you some more soil. Prop her straight up. All the way around. Tap her off. And then just pack down a little bit. Hope you guys can see everything. And it makes your plant look shorter, but you know what's down there. You know she has a great hairy root system that's going to grow. Okay, and I'm just going around with my thumb, packing it down a little bit. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. I hope you're safe and your family's safe. So many people are being affected. Oh, we wasted it. Oh, God, that's okay. See, this is real gardening. This is what happens. This is exactly what happens sometimes. It's okay. It's okay. And I just take this towel out front and shake it off. There we go. And see, she's buried nice. Now, you don't want to put these right back under the grow light. You want to water it and let it get used to its new home, okay? And we're going to do another cup. I have 2 cups ready. I'm just going to go ahead and do another one. But I wanted to show you, just to give you a quick update on how to pot up your tomatoes. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, you guys. You need it. Stay safe. I love you. You're the best. Click like and subscribe. Share the video. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment. Thanks for being here. I love you.